If you've ever dreamt of sculpting the jaw-dropping V, taper physique, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving into the top 10 exercises guaranteed to chisel those lower lats and help you achieve that wide, powerful back. So grab your workout gear, hit that like button, and let's get started on the path to that striking V-shaped back. Number 10. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are a fundamental and highly effective exercise for targeting the lower lats, while also engaging various other muscles in the back and arms. Performing wide grip pull-ups encourages a broad and well-defined V. Taper. To maximize their impact on the lower lats, ensure you lower your body fully during the negative phase of the movement and concentrate on squeezing your lats at the top as your chin clears the bar. Additionally, you can vary your grip width and hand placement on the bar to emphasize different areas of the back and keep your routine versatile. Number 9. Lat pull-downs. Lat pull-downs are a staple in any back workout routine and are particularly effective for targeting the lower lats. By using a wide grip attachment and pulling the bar down to your chest, you engage the lower portion of your latissimus dorsi muscles. To optimize the exercise, maintain proper form, sit upright, and avoid using excessive momentum. Focus on the controlled contraction of your lower lats as you pull the bar down. You can also experiment with different grip variations such as reverse grip, palms facing you, or close grip to vary the muscle engagement in your back, ensuring a well-rounded development of your lats. Number 8. Bent over rows. Bent over rows are a versatile compound exercise that targets the entire back, with a particular emphasis on the lower lats. When performing bent over rows, whether with a barbell or dumbbells, maintaining a straight back is crucial to prevent injury and effectively engage the lower lats. Bend at the hips and knees, keeping your chest up and back straight. Then pull the weight toward your lower rib cage while squeezing your lats at the top of the movement. Varying your grip width can provide a slightly different emphasis on different parts of your back. Bent over rows not only help build the EV, taper by targeting the lower lats, but also contribute to overall back thickness and strength. Number 7. T. Bar rows. T. Bar rows are a potent exercise for isolating and strengthening the lower lats, making them an essential addition to your V taper workout routine. Typically performed using AT bar row machine or landmine attachment with a V handle. This exercise emphasizes the lower portion of the latissimus dorsi. To execute it effectively, position yourself with your chest against the pad. Grip the handle and pull the weight towards your lower abdomen while maintaining a straight back. Focus on contracting the lower lats at the peak of the movement and use a controlled tempo throughout the exercise. Number 6. Seated cable rows. Seated cable rows are a highly effective exercise for targeting the lower lats and building a well-defined V. Taper physique. Using a cable machine and a V bar handle, sit down with your knees slightly bent and your back straight. As you pull the handle toward your lower abdomen, focus on squeezing your lower lats to initiate the movement. This exercise allows for a full range of motion and a strong contraction in the lower latissimus dorsi muscles. Number 5. Face pulls. Face pulls are an excellent exercise to include in your back and shoulder routine, as they engage not only the rear deltoids, but also the lower traps and lats. To perform face pulls, attach a rope handle to a cable machine at chest height. Grasp the rope with a neutral grip and step back a few feet. Keep your back straight. Pull the rope towards your face while squeezing your shoulder blades together and focus on engaging the lower lats throughout the movement. Number 4. Straight arm pull-downs. Straight arm pull-downs are an effective exercise for isolating and strengthening the lower lats. This exercise provides a unique movement pattern, specifically targeting the lower portion of the latissimus dorsi. To perform straight arm pull downs, attach a straight bar to a high cable machine. Stand facing it and grip the bar with your hands shoulder width apart. Keep your arms straight as you pull the bar down toward your thighs, focusing on the contraction in your lower lats. Maintaining proper form is crucial. Ensure that you control the weight and avoid using momentum. Number 3. Single arm dumbbell rows. Single arm dumbbell rows are an excellent exercise for targeting the lower lats and building a balanced and powerful back. To perform this exercise, place one knee and one hand on a bench, ensuring your back is flat and parallel to the ground. With your free hand, grip a dumbbell and pull it toward your hip, focusing on the contraction in the lower lat muscle. Single arm dumbbell rows allow you to work each side independently, helping to correct any muscle imbalances while building strength and size in the lower lats. Number 2. Meadows rows. Meadows rows, named after renowned bodybuilder John Meadows, are an exceptional exercise for targeting the lower lats and achieving AV, taper physique. This exercise involves one-arm rows using AT bar row machine or a landmine attachment. To perform Meadows rows, load one end of the barbell with weight plates and place it in a corner or landmine attachment. Straddle the barbell, grip it with one hand, and bend at the hips and knees while keeping your back straight. Pull the barbell towards your hip, focusing on squeezing the lower lat at the top of the movement. Number 1. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are a compound exercise primarily known for their effectiveness in building overall back and lower body strength, but they also play a significant role in achieving AV, taper physique. While deadlifts primarily engage the lower back, hamstrings, and glutes, they also involve the entire back, including the lower lats. Proper form is essential for safety and effectiveness when performing deadlifts. Begin with your feet hip-width apart. Grip the barbell with both hands just outside your knees and lift the weight by extending your hips and knees. As you lift, concentrate on engaging your lower lats by pulling your shoulder blades back and down. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with your gym buddies, and together, let's strive for those awe-inspiring V-taper gains. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay strong, stay committed, and keep chasing those fitness goals.